Alright guys, I want to get this out there for you guys so that you can have this, and I'm going to run this for today, which is Saturday, tomorrow, let's see, it's 23rd, 24th, and I'm going to do the drawing on the 25th on Monday, and I've got to mute that TV or else you're not going to get to hear me. Alright, sorry about that. Okay. So, yeah, so I want to do this as just like a little quickie. They're just little pamphlets so that you can get them by Halloween. If you wanted to do any decorating with the kids or the grandkids, these are some cute ideas. I'm just going to send it through the mail worldwide. Of course, if you live in another country, you may not get it by Halloween, but if you live within the U.S., you will, because I'm going to send it through post office. So, okay, so the first flyer is called Make a Crafty Pumpkin. And it is just different product ideas. And here's the back. Then here's the inside. There's the first one. The second one is called Pumpkins with Panache. Okay, and then the third one is called Vintage Kitchen Towels. This is if you want to paint on a kitchen towel, but it also has like a Halloween theme on the back, which I thought was really cute, but it's kitty cats. How cute is that? And this is actually gives you step-by-step instructions on how to do this. One's for Valentine's, one's for Christmas, one's for to celebrate America, and then of course the Halloween one on the back. But the inside is just the actual instructions. So, short, sweet, to the point. I think this is probably going to be the quickest video I've ever done. I am downloading a retro that's going to go up on Sunday. I'm going to start putting those up every Sunday and Wednesday until I run out. I have a whole year's worth of videos to put together for you guys. And then once that goes, I guess you'll just have to listen to me. Anyway, all right, so what do you have to do to enter? Be a subscriber. This is open worldwide. Be a subscriber. Hit that like, thumbs up button, and leave a comment. I will use the random comment picker. Use any comment you would like. It can be a Halloween story. It could be your interests. It could be anything. Just say hi. I hope it's more than just a hi, but if it's just a hi, it's okay too. But anyway, oh yeah, so I will get this up now. It should go up by 3 o'clock. Yeah, no, it is 3 o'clock. Should go up by 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. And so yeah, so good luck everybody. And drawing Monday night. I won't get home till about 6:30 Eastern Standard Time, so probably around 7. We'll do the drawing. And then I will get this in the mail Tuesday morning, and you should get it before Halloween. So good luck. Peace out.